What's up, it's your boy again, it's Transform. In this episode of video, we want to test our game Need for Speed Rivals. As you all know this game, so we want to see how it's going to run on our Android, and this is Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Nubia Z50. So in this episode, we are going to test how the game is going to run. Is it going to run fast? Is it going to have deep? Is it going to crash? So this is just a short video about how to test about how to load it. So if you are curious about the settings, you can kindly move to the end of the video to see the settings. But if you are not curious, you can still enjoy the gameplay. So as you all know, this channel is all about testing games for Winlators, Mobox, FX, any emulator that is out there for our PC on Android. So as you all know, this channel, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel so that whenever the video is dropping, you will be the first person to watch it. So as you all know, this Transform is all about games, all about mobile games. So guys, if you've not subscribe to my channel. So this is this Transform. This is a game. So as you can see, the game is running at about almost 30 FPS, and it is very stable, and the resolution I use is 1280 by 720p. so it is it's running good. And don't forget, my processor is 8 Gen 2.
You completed your first objective. Every objective earns you speed points. The cops have found you. Cops will chase you down and try to bust you any way they can. If you get busted, you will lose your speed points and your multiplier. To outrun the cops, drive fast and use the mini-map at the bottom left of your screen to avoid them and escape.
Be advised, officer is code 3 on a suspected racer. All nearby units move in and support.
You are about to lose the cops. The escape bar at the bottom of the screen shows your progress. If the cop catches up to you during this time, the pursuit will resume. When you're free driving, you can race anyone in Redview County. Pull up behind them or wait for them to challenge you, then press the button to start the race. Congratulations, you completed your speed list. Time to head back to the hideout and bank your speed points. You can use the map or easy drive in the top left of the screen to set a route directly to the nearest hideout, repair shop, any event, or other players. Vehicle damage critical. You finished your racer training. Now you can jump into Redview County. You've completed your training. Now pick a side speed. All Drive allows you, your friends, and other drivers to race and chase together, seamlessly, as you play through your cop assignments or racer speed lists. To find out who is in your world, check the map, or look out for them on the road. Some will be cops, others will be racers. You can route to other players by setting a waypoint to them on the map, through Easy Drive, or by jumping straight to a nearby event from inside your garage. All driving near another player will increase your speed points for everything you do. The bigger the group, the more your speed points will be increased. All Drive also allows you to start events together, sharing any rewards and speed points you earn. Simply pull up to the event start together and look out for the All Drive message. You can also interact with your friends on the Need for Speed network. Download now to connect, compare, compete, and interact with your friends via Overwatch. Time to hit the road.
advised, Control. I'm tracking the suspect at 1044 nearby.